This is why Japan is considered the cleanest countries in the world. There, it's not just cleaning staff who keep the streets tidy. Residents do it regularly too. It's a habit deeply rooted in their culture, and it starts from school. Students clean their classrooms, and sometimes even the areas around the school. And this habit continues as they grow older. Many Japanese people still clean in front of their shops or workplaces every morning. After sports matches, they pick up trash in the stadiums. And sometimes, they even organize group cleanup days. The garbage trucks you see on the streets look brand new, even though they've been in service for years. Sanitation workers take care of them. Every morning they clean the trucks, including the tires, to avoid dirtying the roads. And that's not all. In Japan, some drainage canals are so clean that you can see koi fish swimming in them. It might seem surprising to foreign visitors, but it's a great example of the care the Japanese take toward cleanliness and the environment. It's not just a habit, it's a shared responsibility passed down through generations.